How to use built-in surface level in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down, click on display, scroll down, click on edge panels, click on panels. Now click on tools. Now go back. After that, open edge panels. Now here you will see tools. And if you want to use built-in surface level, then click on three dots more option. Now click on surface level. Now move phone right and left. This is how you can use built-in surface level in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.